Friends, imagine someone deposits $86,400 into your bank account every morning. What's the catch? Whatever you don't use by midnight disappears. It's gone. Most of us will be pretty careful with that money. What would you buy? But every day we are given something even more valuable, 86,400 seconds. Once the second is gone, my friends, it's gone. Goodbye. My friends, time is precious, but attention determines where our time actually goes. And that is where life gets interesting. These days, we're not really fighting for a shortage of time. We are fighting to protect our attention. Every notification, email, headline, and social media feed is basically asking, can I have a little piece of your life? Have you thought about it? Sometimes we say yes without even noticing. Have you ever checked your phone just to see the weather? And somehow, 30 minutes later, you are watching a squirrel cook a 5-course dinner with tiramisu for dessert, which admittedly is impressive and funny. But attention is not just about productivity. No. What we pay attention to becomes our life. When we give someone our full attention, we strengthen a relationship. When we focus on a goal, we move forward. When we pay attention to what is good, we often find more of it. Isn't that true? So here is a simple message. You just don't manage your time. Manage your attention. Ask yourself, what deserves my focus today? Who deserves my presence? What I'm spending my 86,400 seconds on today? Because at the end of the day, the quality of our lives is shaped not only by the time we're given, no, but by what we choose to pay attention to. What we pay attention to matters. I invite you to reflect on how you use your time and attention. Thank you.